Hello and welcome to Excel for Fast Food. This one is mainly something you're going to do on your own. I'll be here to help with some of the functions in case you need it, like those sum functions, and then I'll be here to help you with the graph just in case you need it. Now, for this one, you need to get information on some of your favorite fast food items at the fast food restaurants that you go to. So, just like these ones, Burger King, Wendy's, McDonald's, you can choose like Chick-fil-A, whatever you like. Find your favorite items and then put in the total calories, the total fat, the carbs, sodium, and protein. Now, a good website to do this on is a website called fastfoodnutrition.org. It's a perfect website. Now, the school may have blocked it on yours. Luckily, mine is not blocked. But if it does block it, try it on another web browser like Microsoft Edge or whatever's on the school's computers, just in case it is blocked on, like, say, Google Chrome on your computer. So you can go use this website, chicken slider, go to nutrition facts, and then you can see everything you need. Alrighty, so go ahead, put in everything that you need. So it should look something like this. Put everything you need, all your data, and then I'll get back to you with the equations or the functions. Alrighty, now that you got all your data in here, your pictures and everything, let's go ahead and start with the total numbers. Now to do this, it's pretty simple. We want to use the sum function, as you can see right there. You can click on it, you can see which numbers are being summed. You can also click on this cell, go up here to auto sum, click that, press enter, and it auto sums every number in front above it. And then you just want to click this handle right here and drag it all the way down, and it'll copy the formula over here to each of these cells. Now you want to do this for this total and this total, and then we're going to get on with making the chart. Now that you have all your totals, let's go ahead and make the chart. So first thing you want to do is just go to the insert tab, just so it's open, and then we want to highlight 4 groups of cells. So we want to highlight these cells, press Control, then highlight every total cell, like so. Then we want to go up here to charts, click the column bar chart. We want a 3D column cluster chart, like so. So could look something like this. Now we want to change these series names, so go up here to select data, click on the series name, press edit, and then change that series name to its appropriate restaurant. So series 1 for me will be McDonald's. Go ahead and change every series name to the restaurants that you've chose, and we'll be right back to finish off the chart. Alright, now that that's all changed, let's format the graph, the bars, to match how the fast food restaurants' colors are. So for Series A, it's blue. Should make it yellow just so it looks good. So go to here to shape fill, and then yellow. Next is Wendy's, and it's clearly not orange, but it's red. So make it red. And last but not least, Burger King. Make that one blue. At least that's how it should be for me. Of course, you may have different colors for which colors you chose to put in here. And there we go. Now, next thing we need to do is change this chart title. We don't want chart title, so make it nutrition comparison. And then move this chart down here to about a cell A21. Then kind of just stretch that out to about F35. That's bigger, looks better, and yeah, so that's it for this one. Pretty simple. Gotta just get all those data points, just a few sums, and the chart. So hopefully you had no issues with that. And yeah, have a good one.